Looks like we have a modded Lexus. It's kind of weird. I've never seen this button before in like all blue. Usually the ring is blue and the character in the middle is yellow. Key switch is original though. Looks like that's for fire service. It's here. Oh, definitely pre-doored. It's definitely on its original controller. Pretty neat. I will say it's a very strange mod it got. Wow, already there? That looks like, yeah, it's just a stairway. Yeah, let's get a look at the logo. This is the more uncommon type. With the capital O, lowercase, everything else. Pretty neat. Anyway, where's your, whoa, the telephone is falling out. Very strange mod, I will say. Stopping it too. Going down. First
yeah, look.
Oh, sorry. I'm just filming for a project.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you. والله دراسة